Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the destination of modern moms. Today's topic is phonics. Before moving to the topic, let me explain what is phonics. Every alphabet having a Hindi sound which help us in reading and writing, that is phonics. हर अल्फाबेट का एक हिंदी में साउंड होता है जो हमें रीडिंग करने में हेल्प करता है, that is phonic. Let's start. A says a as in apple. B says b as in ball. C says k as in cat. D says d as in dog. E says a as in elephant. F says f as in fish. G says g as in grapes. H says h as in horse. I says E as in igloo. J says J as in jug. K says K as in kite. L says L as in lion. M says M as in monkey. N says N as in nest. O says O as in orange. P says P as in parrot. Q says Q as in queen. R says R as in rabbit. S says S as in sun. T says T as in tree. U says A as in umbrella. V says V as in vase. W says V as in watch. X says X as in X-ray. Y says Y as in yacht. Z says Z as in zebra. होप यू लाइक माई वीडियो. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें. अगर आपका कोई सजेशन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर.